You don't need to wake up at 5 a.m., have 10 skincare routines, or even spend so much money to glow up. No, 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 no. We don't do that. You don't need to do that. But seriously, waking up at 5 a.m. can be helpful, but it's not a criteria that will help you glow up. I mean, you'll be waking up early all this while, right? Don't worry. In this video, we're going to be covering up so many things that you can do without spending so much money or without beating yourself up. We are growing, okay? Now, let's talk about 3 glow up myths that I actually had to unlearn. They sound helpful, but they kept me stuck. First myth is you have to do it all at once. Nope, no, it doesn't work like that. I mean, leveling up or glowing up has to be layer by layer, layer by layer. You don't just glow up all at once. You will get burnt out. I have tried it before. That's what I'm telling you now. You will definitely get burnt out. You would miss everything. You will mix up so much. You will feel like you've not even started. But if you try and calm down and take it one step at a time, you will notice that you do a lot. Glowing up, like I said, simply just means starting from the inside. And when people hear the word glow up or leveling up, everybody thinks, oh, I have to buy the costliest bag in the market, how to make the costliest long hair. Sorry, you see those girls with their hair as long as this, people that are blessed with long hair, you feel you have to do all those things. My dear, no. I'll tell you no in this channel. You know why? Let's start from the very basics. That girl might use that hair and possibly it fits her. This person wears this kind of makeup, she looks good on it. But when you try it, it doesn't look good on you. When you try that hairstyle, it doesn't look good on you. But what have you done? You've ended up spending a lot of money just to put yourself up there on trying to level up. You see 2 people. This one look very clean head to toe. This one look somehow. But they're wearing the same thing. Why? Because you need to start from the basics, like I said. You need to know your face shape. You need to know what fits your face. What kind of makeup goes well with your face contour. Like, know your face shape. Know what you are, know your body shape. Know your everything is doable. When you start from that basics up, of which we are still going to be covering in my videos that are coming up, you will definitely know that you've been doing it the wrong way. Honestly. And trust me, that myth, you don't need to do everything at once. They say, keep on pushing yourself, you always get there. But then you'll not get there. You only end up confusing yourself and missing road. If you are glowing, it's small, and it's going to last longer. If you start small and start growing, you create habit that stays with you, that sticks to you, and you end up seeing that, oh, by the end of so and so months, I'm able to achieve this. I'm able to achieve this, and you'll be proud of yourself. The second myth that I do hear people say often is that it is all about how you look. Don't get me wrong, the way you look somehow has something to trigger in your brain, but glowing up or leveling up doesn't have to be about all what you look like. It's a step in other things that you need to do just to glow up. Now, this is what I did. Like I said, I had to start from myself. I had to start from the inside out. Have you ever met someone that you just meet her and her aura alone feels very endearing? She feels soft. She feels like even if she can wear even the least rag in the room and people will still want to rapport with her. They'll still want to talk to her. They'll still want to be her friend. They'll still want to get closer to her. But you notice that what you're wearing is far better than what she is wearing. But people are attracted to her. Why? Because the aura that she's exuding is not about what she's wearing. It's from the inside out. And that thing engulfs her. The glow makes her glow very well, such that people tend to get attracted to her more often than yourself. It's just the truth. And you look at her and you feel like, how can I be like that? And you want to do everything at once. You can't do everything at once, my lovely sister. No, you can't do everything at once. You have to try and calm down. Okay? You have to start from your mindset. Build your confidence. Build how you feel. Okay? Try to control your emotions. Control how you feel about things first. Then we can now start talking about the appearance. Some people they would want to start with the appearance before they get into some certain things. But starting off with your mindset is the very first thing. We are still going to have a video coming up on this channel that will also address us on the mindset as well. When you hear about the word mindset, it feels like it's a very big word. It's very small. Like it's something you can do. It's one thing to wear something beautiful. What if you wear something beautiful and you end up attracting that attention that keeps coming in left, right, and center? So left, right, and center, but then you don't have the confidence to hold on to that. What happens? You don't have the confidence to hold what comes to you. What now happens? You end up feeling shy in the midst of everybody, and that alone will destroy what you have been wearing, what you wore from head to toe. A beautiful girl is supposed to have her confidence, have her head held up high. Now, when you now wear something on top of your body, which is just the icing on the cake, after building yourself up very well, what you now put on is just the icing on the cake. You come out with your confidence. The attraction starts coming from left, right, center. They look at you. Oh, she's a very cute girl. Oh, this. You will feel confident. You feel comfortable in your skin. Why I made the everyday glow girl, like I said in my previous video, checklist. If you haven't seen that checklist, definitely go ahead and use the description box. The link is there in the description box. Click it. It is free. Download it and know where to start from. Now the third myth is you will need to buy everything new. Sis, you probably have something in your wardrobe that is already flattering your body, just that your eyes are not clear yet for you to see it well. Forget about buying everything new for now. Okay, we are still going to bring up a video where you have to restructure what you already have to make you feel okay. Now this is different from knowing okay, let's say colors that don't fit me, or using buying outfits that don't even match at all. Do you understand? Color riots, darker colors are not even okay with you and makes you feel like you are disappearing. That's a very different thing altogether. Okay, but trust me, most of us here that are watching me right now, most of us in the room right now, we all have what makes us feel comfortable. We all have these clothes that flatters us, but the thing is, you don't know how to pay them very well. So forget about the myth of honestly, I did follow that myth, but I actually bought a lot of things for myself. Just that I now notice my wardrobe here, I have a lot of things inside. Secondly, I make outfits, so I keep on sewing this and sewing that for myself. I mean, back then, but I'm not doing that anymore. On my other channel, I do sewing tutorials. So I saw a lot of outfits that I end up not even using, and I'm wondering to myself, why are you even sewing these things? Sometimes I sew them for the content. That's if people request for it, I sew it for the content. Now after sewing it for the content, where do you wear it to? Nowhere. It's just seated there in my closet doing what? Just puffing up the whole place. Well, that's just by the way. But then you don't have to do everything new. You already have things that make you feel comfortable. You are still going to open up that lens so that you're going to be able to look at it comfortably and know that, okay, I can pair this with this, and it goes. We're still going to get into that. Colors, outfit that fits you, outfit that flatters you, outfits you can compare with it, so you can combine with others to give you what you want. Okay, now let's say after that, now if you notice that you don't have any of these things, that your outfit don't even match, nothing happens. We are still going to work on it. But if you notice that it is that bad, definitely you're free. You can go ahead and then get something to at least add to your collection, but don't buy too much. If you buy too much, it will not end up being a problem to you. What we are aiming to have is a very clean silhouette, clean outfit. Okay, if it's something that fits you, that flatters you, by all means, please have it, but don't buy too much. All these things is not about perfection. It's all about starting from scratch, where you feel comfortable in, where you feel confident in. Start from there and build yourself up slowly. But we really would recommend you go down to the basics first. Okay, if you want to start from your looks, there's no problem. Some people, there's how they feel when they look a certain way, and it changes everything for them. You can also be one of those people, but don't base your glow up on that. That's what I'm trying to say. Try to merge other things together. That's what this channel was mainly originally about. Trying to see how we can build ourselves up from the very beginning, the lowest part of it, and then we'll now take it up from there. So that once you get to, let's say, 4 to 5 months in the future from now, I'm not saying 1 year, 4 to 5 months in the future, you start seeing those small changes. You will appreciate yourself, honestly, even myself as well. So I'm in this journey with you. I'm still moving forward. I don't know it all. Nobody knows it all. I don't know it all. So I'm just creating this for myself, my future self, so that when I look back at these videos as well, I'm going to be like, thank God I did this. Inside the soft glow, I walk you through different things, how to help yourself, the tiny little things you need to do to help yourself daily. No perfections, nothing. Just a very simple way to start glowing up yourself from the inside out. So if you have gotten it and then you've seen it and then you started working on it, I give you a heart and thumbs up to you as well. So that is just it for this video. If you're going to be getting it, or if you've gotten it, leave me a heart in the comment section. Is that a heart? Oh God, please leave me a heart in the comment section and let me know if you enjoy this content. And I'm going to see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to subscribe and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye, bubbles.